Today, on Zero to Awesome, we go shopping.
SaraTerra needs some parts, so we're going to the finest, most high quality parts store we can find. That also has coupons. Well, if you're joining us for the first time,
Hello.
our current awesome project is taking a abused and neglected Nissan Xterra, making it roadworthy, and then turning it into an incredible camper. We don't quite have SaraTerra fully running yet, but it's kind of time to start thinking about accessorizing.
False. Alan is wrong. She runs, she just leaks.
One of the accessories we discussed was Spider-Man winches. Now that might need to be explained a little more, but for now, we're just gonna go buy things.
At first, this was just a dumb idea, but I think we figured out a way to actually make them functional.
So that'd be a good dumb idea.
It's the best dumb idea you've had in ages.
You know how they say no question's a dumb question? No idea is a dumb idea.
That's also false.
Oh no, we're gonna need way more than two.
Back from the store. Got some winches.
What's on the menu for this morning?
Winch pie.
No, hangover. But besides that, winch pie.
Got some winches. We need to figure out where they're gonna go. I think we're gonna play around with some cardboard, maybe figure out a bumper, at least for the front. Back we haven't taken off yet. One of the winches is gonna go in the back for sure because we haven't planned to actually use it. I think we're gonna use a winch to pull the slide outs out, and the other winches will do other things as we figure out what we're gonna use them for.
Why have one big winch? Winch. Why have one big winch? Did I say that right?
Arr!
We have winches!
Alan also bought something else the other day.
So, SaraTerra has a couple dents. And we found this pneumatic dent puller. The theory is you use pneumatism to remove your dents. It comes with these two suction cups that you actually put right on the dent, pressurize it with air,
Oh shit.
and then it has a slide hammer that once we fix it, you use to pull the dent out.
Does it work? Let's find out.
We have a couple of dents here we need to remove, which in the bodywork industry they refer to as dents. In the Suck and Tug 2000, since it has two different suction cups, we need to find the right suction cup for our dent. This one's pretty big, so we're gonna use the big sucker.
Supposedly, this thing works magic, and I mean, they probably took these pictures in reverse order, but it's supposed to get out big dents. We'll see. The box says start at 90 PSI and go from there if it's not enough. So we're gonna start with 200, and now we're going with 90. Is it on? I think so. Progress. Oh, I hope that was recording.
Well, Harbor Freight, I apologize for most of the mean things I've said about you, because this thing, it actually works. Most, not all.
I mean, it's actually like this part looks really good. Yeah, this has come out quite a bit. Oh, it's right. Yeah. It's like, Gillis, this has come out, that's come out. I think I bring my other slide hammer over. So we can pull this out a little bit and put. So we're gonna use our slide hammer.
We think we've done as much as we can with the dent puller. This is just too severe of a dent right here for it to work. However, it did work pretty well here, a little bit there. Can't get to it from the back side because there's metal up in there. So we are real quick just gonna check and see if we can get like into the metal through any of these trim panels back here and see if we can push it out from the inside.
This is her. We found the root of our dent.
Right here, that's our dent. I think we're gonna do a little bit of banging from the inside.
Did I bring my nice set of body dollies and hammers? No, so we're using this.
It's a fine Italian hammer.
This is how they build Ferraris.
So that's about all of the undenting that we're gonna do. It's not perfect, it's gonna need some Bondo, but hey, it's SaraTerra, and how much time do you really wanna spend on it? Alan had to go, but that's okay. We can keep doing stuff. Now we're gonna try and design our bumper. We're going to do 2 winches up front, 1 winch in the back. Why? Because why not? So first we're gonna take some cardboard, make what we want our bumper to look like. Then another day, we're gonna go buy some metal, transfer our cardboard to metal, and make the actual bumper. And that's that. Our bumper's complete. We are completely done. We can just hit the road now. And no, we definitely need to turn this into metal, but this will give us a good idea of how much sheet metal we need to go buy so we can actually make a metal bumper. And that is assuming Alan likes this design, because I just did all this without him. So a little more work to be done. And yes, I do know the engine needs air, so we will be making some cutouts here so the radiator can breathe. We have a good idea for that. Don't want to give it away just yet, but we'll be doing something up front on the snout.
So I've done my job for today. Don't forget to do your job by hitting that like button if you like bumpers and getting dents out, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see this thing actually turn into metal and the rest of it turn into a camper, because it's going to be pretty cool, I'm going to say, by the time we're done with it. So until next time, just remember, a little bit of reverse hammering, a little bit of cardboard, and your car's ready to hit the road. See you later.
Today on Zero to Awesome, we take a Corvette off-roading. In one word, how would you describe SaraTerra?
Black. In one word, how would you describe SaraTerra?
Leaky.
It's true.
In 8 words, how would you describe SaraTerra?
Leaky, black, bumperless, dented, in need of repair.
I like that. Personally, I was going to go the black, leaky, dented car, broken Sarah.
Greek grapes. Greek grapes.